Hello. So you are going to meet your twin flame, and what you are going to do? Are you in anxiety? How is it is going to turn out? So I understand that like every meeting is a new beginning with your twin flame, and I will share some of the things that you can take care before you get into the meeting, so that you manifest what you desire, and you come to a healthier vibration with your twin flame. So maybe your meeting can be just the initial phase you are meeting them, or it could be you have been on a long separation phase, and then you are getting into meeting again. So in both of the case, in the both of the case, that all that you have to do is understand that you are meeting yourself, the fundamental thing. You are going to meet yourself. So if you have not healed on a deeper level, so that can be that may not be true all the situation. Maybe you have healed completely, so that meeting is going to be peaceful. So that's a like ideal situation. But that could be, there is a high possibility that you have not healed it, and you are going to meet your twin flame. So what is going to happen is the anxiety that is within you is like what if they are going to make you feel more rejected. Anyway, they are not doing that, they are just triggering that energy from within you. So what if they are going to act in any way that is going to make you feel rejected, or maybe there will be some situation where you will not be able to understand how to act, and then you may fall into a fight again, and then a distance again. Okay, so nobody wants that with twin flame, right? So it is always good that you do the inner work before you get into the meeting with your twin flame, because it is not like any other relationship, because every meeting in the initial phase is going to trigger some energy within you. You cannot be at a state of stable peace and love. So what can you do? Like you cannot wait okay, I will just do the healing and feel peace and love, and then I will going to meet. That will be a stupid choice, so don't do that. It is highly recommended that you stay more and more close with your twin flame. That will actually heal you faster, because when you are around your twin flame, you get those triggers, or you on energetically level, whatever the upset or the negative energy is there within you, that will come up naturally. And then when that is brought into your attention, it will become very easy for you to heal it. Because at times we normally don't like connect with all our blocks. At times we feel numbed out, so our twin flame mirrors that very naturally. So you can heal all those things by looking into your mirror, your divine mirror. So what you can do, first thing, have your intention or your energies very clear. What you are, how you want to experience in the meeting. Deep within you yourself, you desire that meeting to be loving and peaceful, right? So have that reminder to yourself, like no matter what, I choose to be in, choose to have a experience of love and peace with my twin flame. Okay, so don't go with a intention that this meeting is going to trigger something. If the triggering happens, that will happen naturally, but don't prepare yourself for the meeting with the intention that this is going to trigger me, and then that's going to make me feel like it had happened 2 years back, 3 years back, 10 years back, or whatever. So don't go with that energy. Okay, so clear all that energy, release all that resentments if anything had happened in the past. Because if you are still holding on to the past incidences that might have happened, which has ended with a fight or anything, so if you go with that energy, then you are going to experience a fight again, that is guaranteed. Okay, so it is always good that you sit with yourself and clear what had happened in the past, and make a choice that you are going to experience love and peace only. Okay, that should be your intention. And all, whenever you are going to meet your twin flame, always go with a alignment with God. Don't go to them that they are your source and they are going to love you and all that. If you are going with that intention, then you will be disappointed. So you release all the expectation that you are holding on to, like how that meeting is going to unfold, and am I going to experience what had happened in the past, or is he going to reject me? So like whatever it may be, you release everything and go and meet with an open heart. Okay, because anything, the miracle can happen at any moment. But the more and more you are open, you will be able to receive your twin flame very in a harmonious energy. So it is always you that can manifest the external just by working on yourself. That's how miraculous is this relationship. Like the exact feeling that you want to have, you can manifest that with your twin flame just by working on yourself, right? And when you have done the work on your soul level, and you are with your own partner, like you are with yourself, it is like that you are going to be with yourself. Like you should be absolutely clear and authentic within yourself. There should not be any haziness within yourself, that what you desire and all that. You should be crystal clear and like absolutely authentic when you are meeting with your twin flame, because they recognize you by your energy. Maybe you are away, coming from far away, they will get your energy and that will trigger them, and then you will not understand then how it goes away. Okay. So don't control how the situation is going to unfold, and even there will be nothing to get panicked if something really happened, like you got triggered, because take that as a gift. Like this is like another step that was being given to you, so that you heal that within yourself and go ahead, right? Because every meeting of yours has a purpose, and it has a divine purpose. So you are making this choice with God, and you are manifesting that, right? If you are not actually controlling it, so when you are making a choice with God to meet with your twin flame, it will happen naturally. You will receive in the invitation from the other side. You don't have to like control it or try to do by yourself. It will happen. So you, and in that situation you don't know what is the divine purpose, right? What exactly why God is bringing both of you together, what is there to be healed. Okay, because when only you heal what is there between both of you, blocking both of you, then only you will be able to come more closer. So it is always guaranteed that when the fight happens or anything wrong happens with your twin flame, you don't have to be scared at all, because that's a relationship that cannot be lost. Absolutely. It is just that that will come up so that you understand each other better. Because every every day or every step will be like your block healings are all your steps. It doesn't change anything with days, it changes a lot with a clearance of block. So every clearance with block you will see, like you will become powerful, and you will magnetize your twin flame naturally towards yourself. That's how is the truth about your twin flame. So drop all your anxiety, drop all your past experiences, drop all your expectations that you want how your meeting is going to happen, and absolutely open yourself to receive your twin flame. Absolutely. And it is okay whatever they are going to teach you at this moment. They are your guru, so receive that teaching without any judgment, and heal that within yourself. You are just going one step ahead or one step forward towards your harmonious union. So it is absolutely safe. Go and enjoy with your twin flame. Bye.